All right, and welcome back to our ongoing video series tutorial on the Google Chrome browser. On this video, video 4, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Google search feature. So of course you got your classic Google homepage where you go into Google, type whatever terms or phrases you need to into the search box, hit Google search, and it's going to pull up all those results. But what's also great about the Google Chrome browser is no matter what page you're on, so let's say we're even on the KC Public Schools homepage, you could search right from the Omnibox where you'll typically find that URL address. So let's say today I wanted to learn more about our boys in blue, the KC Royals. So I type the term Royals into the search box or the Omnibox, hit enter, and I'm searching directly from the page that I was previously on without having to go to Google to do a Google search. So there you go. I have a whole lot of results. And we could go through and take a look at all those. Then of course, if I wanted to refine it a little bit more further, I could go to news. If I wanted to see all the news articles on the Royals, videos for videos about the Royals, images about that shows pictures of the Royals, so on and so forth there. But one of the really underutilized features of the Google search is the ability to do an advanced search. So if you go to settings, you will see that you actually have an advanced search function that you could go and refine your results to exactly what you need. So the first area is where you could refine how Google is going to treat the terms you type in. So over on the right side, they give you little examples of what each one means. So let's say I want to search for some stuff on the Kansas City Royals, but I want to really make sure I exclude those British Royals to not get everything mixed up. So I can actually type in England down here where it says none of these words. So now my results will look for any resource with the word Royals in it, but if it has the word England in it, it's going to be excluded from my results. And you could change any of those to however you want them. And you could even further narrow your results by changing the settings down below. So I can look for different languages. So if you're looking for an article in Spanish about the Royals, you could change it to Spanish. If you're looking for specific articles from a specific region of the world, you could change your region. If you're looking for something that's a little more up to date, you could click on that next choice down there and say, okay, well, I only want resources about the Royals from the past week. You could search for a specific site or domain. So if you're only looking for, .org sites, .edu sites, you could type that into that box as well. And you can actually tell it, where do you want those terms to be? So do you want the Royals to show up in the web address? Do you want it to show up in the title of the website? Do you want it to show up just anywhere on the website? You could change that there. Safe search, I just leave that alone, keep it school appropriate. Another really great feature though is the file type. You could go through and choose exactly what type of file you want that Royals result to be in. So if you want it in a PowerPoint to show your students, you could click PowerPoint. If you want a Microsoft Word doc that you could go through and edit and tailor specific to the needs of your class, you can look for a Microsoft Word doc or whatever you want to find. So, PDF to print off an article, whatever. And then at the bottom, you have usage rights to where if it was something that you wanted to show publicly, not have to worry about anybody coming after you for copyright claims, you could change that accordingly to fit your needs. And what's great about this as well is these advanced search settings are tailored to the specific search you're doing. So right now, we're just in the generic Google search, but you could also use advanced search settings under video or under images, and then those advanced search settings will apply specifically to those images, which I will show you in just a moment. So once you have this all looking the exact way you want it, you hit advanced search, and now you can see my results are slightly different than what you saw before, because now I'm looking for results that include the term Royals, but exclude the term England, and have only been posted within the past week. So scroll down, and those are all my resources now. But let's say I want to find that image. So I can go to images, and same thing, under settings, under advanced search, I can now do an advanced search that is tailored to images. So I could tell it, okay, what size do I want my picture? What color do I want my picture? What file type? So if I'm looking for, I need a JPEG file because that's the only file that'll cooperate with whatever program I'm using, then you can search specifically for JPEGs. And the same thing, once you get those all looking the way you want, advanced search, and then your results will only fit those new parameters. And like I said, the same thing for videos. If you're in videos and you're looking for a specific features. So whatever language, you only want videos that are 0 to 4 minutes long, that have been posted within whatever time. Advanced search, it'll only show you the results that fit your needs. So the advanced search settings are just really good for tailoring your results to exactly what you need if you are looking for a specific resource. So again, that's how you do a Google search and a Google advanced search.